everyone. Straydog Bill Arnold, co-founder of Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary at straydog.org, also known as Straydog Billy on my YouTube channel, where today Erin and I are going to be doing song number 1743. Yes, 1743 and 1743 days in a row. Yes, and we've been doing one song a day since August 7th of 2020. Going to keep on doing one a day until homeless dogs and cats are no longer killed, no longer euthanized in the kill shelters, because when they run out of space, there's nothing else they can do. They have to start euthanizing the poor dogs and cats who have been there the longest to make room for incoming rescues. Terrible tragedy. It can be stopped if we can get everybody on board to spay and neuter their dogs and their cats, and that will end the problem. So please, everybody, share this video with others to try to get more and more people on board to spay and neuter their dogs and cats, and subscribe to the channel. That helps with the algorithms. And
adopt from a
shelter, and spay and neuter your own dogs and cats. And we're also sponsored by Fresh Pet, who you've seen that in ads on TV and in the stores now, and it's a really great dog food, and they're supplying Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary with enough food to feed our 150 dogs and just a few cats. When they come along, we rescue them also. Anyway, 150 dogs twice a day now. We do one feeding at 6 a.m. and a feeding in the afternoon to break up their day, and so we've been doing that for a long, since 1994 is when we started the shelter. So please, everybody, help out. And also,
Straydog.
Yeah, help the shelter too. You can make a donation online. Yeah, there's a lot of videos, and Joe's gonna put some of those up on the on this channel also. Okay, so today we're going to do a song called "Heard It Through the Grapevine," and here we go. Are we ready? 2, 3, 4. Tears I can't hold inside. Cause in you and my life, you see. Cause you mean that much to me. You could have told me yourself, that you found somebody else. But I heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be mine. Yes, I heard it through the oh, I'm just about to lose my mind, honey, honey. right, we'll be back again tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Erin. Please spay and neuter your pets.